Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to prepare your company and your employees for the adoption of artificial intelligence, AI. Implementing this technology can transform your organization, improving efficiency, reducing costs, and opening up new business opportunities. But for this transition to be successful, it is essential to prepare both the infrastructure and the human team. The key pillars for a successful adoption are shown: strategic vision, training, change management, and adaptive leadership. If you want to discover how to lead your company into the future with AI, stay until the end of the video. AI must be aligned with the company's strategic objectives. It is crucial to define what specific problems you want to solve and how AI can add value. An example is illustrated: a logistics company using AI to optimize delivery routes and reduce transportation costs. Its benefit is to maintain focus and measure the success of the implementation. AI adoption must be consistent with the company's values. If the organization prioritizes customer service, AI can complement that experience, not replace it, such as companies using AI to personalize services without losing the human touch. Before implementing AI, it is important to identify the competencies needed. This includes technical skills such as data analysis and programming, and soft skills such as adapting to change. For example, Amazon develops training programs for its employees focused on advanced technological skills. Reskilling is critical for employees to adapt to new roles. Amazon, for example, has implemented programs to train its employees in data analytics and cloud computing, improving its talent retention. Clearly communicating the purpose of AI and its benefits is key to reducing fear of automation. Siemens organizes workshops to explain how AI improves processes without replacing employees. Involving the team in the implementation creates a sense of ownership. For example, Unilever created multidisciplinary teams to test AI tools before final deployment, ensuring that solutions fit operational needs. Leaders must guide their teams through the technology transition, inspiring confidence and demonstrating the value of AI. IBM, for example, has implemented adaptive leadership programs to ensure that the organizational culture evolves along with the new technologies. The benefit is that strong leadership overcomes cultural and psychological barriers, creating an environment conducive to innovation. Preparing the enterprise and employees for AI adoption is essential to maximizing its benefits. With a clear vision, ongoing training, effective communication, and adaptive leadership, organizations can minimize resistance to change and thrive in the digital age. If you want to prepare your company and your team for AI adoption, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we'll design a strategy tailored to your goals. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.